Okay, is it filming?
Yeah.
Well, here we go. Right, I'm going to be opening this fantastic box of nuclear flasks that just arrived a couple of days ago, and I'm going to get them on the Garden Railway and take a look. Posh box. All right, let's take a look at these. Get this plastic off. Oh yeah, these are good. These are heavy. These are very sturdy. Let's see if I can get this out. All right, yeah, this looks good. Let's see if we can come in for a close-up and have a look at the quality. You can see you can see the detail in there. Very nicely done. Align arrows before lifting. I wouldn't fancy lifting those nuclear flasks up. I wouldn't fancy that at all. And there we go. These bogies here look twistable. Yeah, that one pivots on its own. And same as that one as well. Let's have a look at the ends. There's the couplings. Okay, there's the other one in the box. Could be identical. Don't know. Let's get them outside and give them a bit of a test. There they are. Yeah, got to pick a locomotive. Pick something appropriate to run some nuclear flasks. I haven't really got the right thing. This is my collection. Got a Voyager as well, but that's not here. Let's go for something reliable. Let's go for this Network Rail Class 57. Yeah, I was going to run this one, but the wheels are absolutely filthy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see. That's what happens when you run trains outside. Luckily, I've got this stuff. This is good for cleaning train wheels. Servosol IPA 170 went off on 12th of the 3rd 2013. I've had it for a while, so this is really good at cleaning the wheels. These will be filthy. Yeah, look at that. Oh, this is really sticky. I think you're going to have to come back to me. I think I'm going to have to clean these wheels and then run it after that. Okay, the locomotive wheels are cleaned. They were absolutely filthy. Look at all that black gunk on those Q-tips. These wheels look much shinier now. Well, they don't look perfect by any means because it's been run in a garden for 5 years, but they look pretty good. All right, let's give it a run. Okay, let's give it a run. Yep, turn it up. Turn it up to 5. You done it? Right, let's give it a nudge. You done it? All right, there we go. Bit faster. That's it. Oh, they look good. Did you stop it? Did you stop it? Ah. Let's take a look. It was pretty grubby there. That's why that stopped. Let's get that clean. Okay, let's go for that. Yeah, it's been a crash. Okay. Alright, that's better. Okay, we go again. Nope, no we don't. Stop it a second. That's better. Nothing simple. Okay, go again. Yeah, I wouldn't go there. Off you go, off you trot. Cheers.